the concern about the flow of immigrants. The three types of Brexits are the no-deal Brexit, hard Brexit, and softer Brexit. I will now invite Jitan to talk about these.
Hello everybody, I'm Jitan, and I'm going to be talking about the three different types of Brexit. So the three types that Han said before are hard Brexit, no-deal Brexit, and soft Brexit. So first let's talk about the hard Brexit. So what is a hard Brexit? A hard Brexit would mean the UK would leave the EU, lose their title as an EU member, and also have little to no EU laws applying to them. They would get border control privileges, which means they would be able to apply tariffs and checks on people entering the country. A hard Brexit would mean trade would be very limited and the economy would go down as loss of that trade. So to get this into your heads better, let's give you an example if you're an apple seller. So imagine you're an apple seller and there's another brand of apples from France. These apples are cheap, but people buy them anyway because they're cheaper. And you, getting the better quality, more expensive apples, are not getting any money. If a hard Brexit were to happen, those French importers would not be able to easily import their apples as for the aforementioned tariffs and checks. So you will make all the money. But let's take the same example if you're a plane builder, like Boeing. Obviously Boeing is not centered in the UK, but I'm just taking the example of the name. So you probably import all of your components and machinery from other countries, mainly EU countries, as you are living in the UK. But all these tariffs and checks will go against you now, because you can't easily import all the goods you need. So there are people pushing for hard Brexit, but this is equally unlikely as all the others.